What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. This is Motor Rob here, and hey, it's me. Anyways, man, it's hot as balls outside right now. It's about 105 degrees and humid, and that's just North Texas weather for you, buddy. Anyways, back to the subject at hand. Why you clicked on this video is my sport line. Now, I had a little issue with her. That's her right there. Nothing major, nothing mechanical. I got a nail in my tire. And Harley, when I bought the bike, thank God, I bought the wheel and tire package with it. So I figured if I run into something, you know, nails, run into, you know, get a flat, ruin my wheel. You know, wheel's like $600 by itself. $600 by itself, and the tire was quoted at, with labor installed, like $400. Right? Of course, that's quantity prices. But I'm gonna roll across the screen right here, right now, what it looks like. She's holding pressure, but I'm not riding it anywhere until the tire comes in. And I've been waiting 2 weeks on her, but due to the COVID-19, everything's on back order. It's not fun. I'm trying to make content here. I'm trying to have a good time with this riding season, with riding, and bam. But here we go. It's a shot of silver bullet, as I call her. She's probably a little dirty because she's been sitting for a while. But anyways, that's the update with my 2019 Sport Glide. Go ahead and like and subscribe and see more content, and as soon as I get this bad boy fixed, again, it's just the tire, that's it, I'll keep uploading content. Peace out, y'all.